So here I have this Google Drive, right, that I use as a portfolio, and this is mainly for my storage, but only not only that, but for people who are curious about what I do, they can also see what I'm working on as well, right? So the first thing you want, the most important part of a Google Drive is, right, your username on whatever social media platform you're sharing it from. It either has to be the same, or you have to have a note inside the actual Google Drive saying that this is this is what social media, this is the Google Drive of that social media, right? So I have a Discord, and the username on that Discord is elongated mask, right? And so I have a text file here that says created by elongated mask. The reason why I have this is because I realize that people who are going to hire you based on something that you've created, they don't know who's actually doing what online. And like, because anyone can just share a random portfolio, right? And so I have this text file here saying created by elongated mask. It's just an empty text file. It's just the name of my account right here, right, created by me. So, and then I have some, like, an impressive work that I've been working on recently. So for me, that would be this animation here. And then I have all of these other works, right? So this portal that I made a while ago, this render, this chair. I have things of different niches, right, that people may look for. So I have an NFL ball, the AFCON trophy. I have stuff for video games as well. Of course, that was untextured. And then, so yeah. My rules for these three, right? So for the trophies, the Roblox, and the furniture, those that I have listed, it doesn't have to be Roblox or anything like that in particular, but just model stuff from a variety of niches, because you never know what people are going to want, because there are modelers out there, they model hair, they model furniture, architecture, sci-fi, anything, right? You can find people from like the most niche subjects to like some of the most oversaturated subjects, right? And so you really want to dial in on what you actually want to design. So here this is pretty much what I've done. And so my main focus is trophies and furniture, because especially furniture, because I like the aspect of architecture within like visualization and stuff. So yeah, and then I have these two, which are and then these three, they make up the bulk of my whole portfolio, right? So yeah,